Kamusta? Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, everyone, is another review of a belt body bag product from the company Audiio. Thank you so much, Audiio, for reaching out back to me, and they give this product for free. I will be doing a review. Prior to the review, of course, we will do the unboxing and yes, a review of this product. This is from my own personal thought, my own opinion, and of course, we will always do that try on outdoor to this. So let's do the unboxing, and please see me there up to my try on. Thank you. Zipper slide smoothly and no sharp teeth. Okay, so we have pocket inside, another pocket outside, of course. And so, what do you say? Perfect for this season, you know, spring, soon it will be summer. Smells good though. Material is heavy duty material. There is an adjustment depending on your length of preference. Looks like roomy, fit my wallet, phones, yeah, pretty much. So what do you say? Gorgeous, not gorgeous. Beautiful material, beautiful, heavy duty. Okay, so I will give 10 out of 10 for this. Okay, so let's try this outdoor. Thank you.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let you, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two to get the truth. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a